All right, my people. So, last thing going on here, we've got cosine 11 pi over 6. Oh my gosh, all of these fun things that we're going to do. We're going to find values of trig functions. So, I have put my little t's on there so I can draw it out. Again, if you draw it out every time, the automaticity will come, and this will be super fast for you, and you're going to have to memorize them anyway. So just like practice drawing it every time. Okay, pi over 6's. The pi over 6's are these low ones. So which one is 11 pi over 6? Well, 1 pi over, well, like this is 12 pi over 6, so 11 pi over 6 is just one short. The pi over 6 is square root 3 over 2 and 1/2 because it's wider this way than it is up and down. And then, let's see, negative because that's below 0. So which one of those is the cosine? That would be square root of 3 over 2. What happened there? Square root of 3 over 2. All right, cosecant of a 7 pi over 4. Well, let's just, pi over 4s are these. Those are my square root 2 over 2's. Oh, love them. Okay, where is the 7 pi over 4? 1 pi over 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pi over 4 is this one. So I know that's root 2 over 2 and root 2 over 2. Who's negative? The sine? Okay, cosecant goes with sine. So the sine of 7 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. Okay, so now I've got to flip that. Ugh. So I get 2, it's going to be negative over square root 2, square root 2, square root 2. Okay, so that gives me negative 2 root 2 over 2. Simplify. So this ends up being negative square root 2. 4 pi over 3. My pi over 3's are the tall ones. It's like 2 pi over 6's because 2 over 6 simplifies to 1 over 3. Okay, so where's the 4? So 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3 is down here. Okay, a pi over 3 is going to be 1/2 over 1/2 and square root 3 over 2 because it's thinner than it is tall. Now I think about the signs. It's in quadrant 3, so negative, negative. And they want the sign, so negative root 3 over 2. So again, draw the picture every time. That will help so much. Ooh, 3 pi over 4. I love pi over 4s. Okay. Pi over 4s. 3 pi over 4. 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. Okay, pi over 4s are always root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2, and the cosine is negative because it's going left. Okay, tangent is the y over the x, so root 2 over 2 over negative root 2 over 2. Hey, same thing, divided, so negative 1. 7 pi over 6. Pi over 6's are like the low ones. So those are like the low to the ground ones, so they're wide and short. 7 pi over 6. 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6. Sometimes people get concerned. They're like, you skip things in the pi over 6's. Yeah, because like this is 2 pi over 6, aka pi over 3. Okay, so over here we've got, I know that point is going to be, it's wider than it is tall, so negative root 3 over 2, 1/2. Oh, both are negative. Okay, and the sign is the y value, so up and down, negative 1/2. All right, secant. Secant goes with cosine of pi over 2. Oh. Well, pi over 2 is just right here. So that ordered pair is over 0 up 1. So your cosine is 0 over 1. Really, it's just 0, but then the one I did is kind of a placeholder. Well, then if I flip 0 over anything over, I get 0 on the bottom. Can you do that? You cannot. So this one ends up being undefined. So sine and cosine never have anything undefined, but tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant do. There you go. That is the basics of the unit circle. The better you know it, the easier trigonometry will be for you.